In this slide number 1, we will talk about the notification overview. Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited, commonly known as Maha Metro, has released a new recruitment notification under advertisement number MAHA Metro, PHR 03-2025. This notification was published on the 29th of May 2025. The recruitment is being carried out for multiple metro projects including Nagpur, Pune, Thane, and Navi Mumbai. These positions are available on a contract or deputation basis for a duration of 5 years. Eligible and experienced candidates from metro rail, railway, PSUs, and infrastructure sectors can apply online through the official website www.mahametro.org. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total vacancies released under this notification. The recruitment drive includes over 96 vacancies across various managerial and technical roles. These include positions like Chief Project Manager, Additional General Manager for Finance, Deputy Chief Project Manager in several disciplines, Assistant Managers, and Managers for Finance, Safety, Quality, and more. The roles are spread across key departments and are open for experienced professionals. For post-wise breakup, candidates should refer to the official notification. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the application fee details. Interestingly, the official notification does not mention any specific application fee. Candidates are advised to keep checking the careers section on www.mahametro.org for any updates related to application charges or fee exemptions. In past recruitments, fee details were sometimes added later or waived for eligible candidates. In this slide number 4, we will talk about the important dates for this recruitment process. The online application process begins on the 16th of June 2025 from 2 p.m. and continues until the 15th of July 2025 up to 6 p.m. Interested candidates must visit the official website, navigate to the careers section, and fill out the online application form before the deadline. Submissions beyond the cutoff date will not be accepted. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age limits for different posts. The upper age limit varies based on the level of the post. For E7 level positions, the maximum age is 55 years, while for E6 level it's 53 years. E5 to E3 level posts have an age limit ranging between 45 and 50 years. For E2 and E1 level posts, the limit is between 35 and 40 years. Government rules on age relaxation will apply where applicable. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the educational qualifications required for different roles. For most technical posts, a BE or B.Tech degree in disciplines such as electrical, mechanical, electronics, civil, IT, or telecom is required. For finance-related roles, qualifications like CA or ICWA are necessary. Additional certifications such as safety diplomas or SAP, ERP knowledge are preferred for specific posts. The required experience ranges from 4 to 19 years depending on the post level, and candidates must have relevant experience from metro, railway, PSU, or infrastructure sectors.